fractions. Let's jump right into this. Okay, please have your quizzes out, and pay close attention to these notes. Now, I believe I never gave this to you in your notes, so if it's marked wrong on your quiz, that doesn't matter. I didn't take any points off. Okay, and check my check my work by adding up all of your mistakes and multiplying by the points and all of that, and making sure I gave you the correct grade. But here is the answer in case you were curious. The ratio of the lengths of two corresponding sides. Okay? The ratio of the lengths of two corresponding sides. Okay? If you were wondering. Okay, here we go. Let's take a look at numbers 5, 6, and 7. Now, number 5 says solve for x. Okay, let's bring it down here. 7 over x equals 30 over 11. Now, remember, anytime that two ratios or fractions are set equal, you can cross multiply and set those equal. So, cross multiply. Now, you can only do this when two fractions are equal. I've had some students who have had two fractions that were multiplying, like 1/2 times 3/5, and they started cross multiplying. Okay, the cross multiplication only works when the fractions are equal. Okay, there has to be an equal sign here. X times 30 is 30x. Okay, 7 times 11 is 77. If you struggle with that, use a calculator. Okay, and then you put an equal sign in between them. And now, guys, you know how to finish this. To get x by itself, you divide both sides by 30. These cancel. X equals, now, you could have left your answer 77 over 30. I have no problem with that. You could type into your calculator 77 divided by 30 and get this for an answer. 2.56 with the 6 repeating. That's fine. Or you could have put 2 and 17/30s. That's fine. Any of those answers are fine. Okay, students? Alright, moving on to number 5, or number 6. Now in number 6, same thing. We have two fractions that are set equal. Okay? So let's go ahead and cross multiply. Now be careful on this one. You don't just take the 3 times the x, and you don't just take the 3 times the 8. The 3 gets multiplied to the x and also to the 8 both, okay? So 3 times x is 3x. And 3 times 8 is positive 24. Okay? Now we'll multiply 5 times 18 and we'll get 90. And then we set these two as equal. So when you took 3 times x plus 8, that gave you one side of the equation. When you took 5 times 18, that gave the other side of the equation, okay? Now, guys, from Algebra 1, you really should know how to finish this, okay? Look, you want to get x by itself. This is a positive 24, so the first thing you do is bring it over and make it a negative 24. So now you're left with 3x equals 66. Okay? 90 minus 24 is 66. Now divide both sides by 3 to get x by itself. And x equals 22. Okay? So there we go. 22. Okay? Alright. Last problem. Two figures are similar. Find the value of x. You will get a decimal. Now, probably the best thing to do here is to match up corresponding side with corresponding side. Maybe I can use a little mark or something, okay? Let's see. If you take this, and I'll tell you what, I'm going to write them both. I'm going to copy them both like this. Give me 1 second here. Alright, there we go. Let me pull this down here. Alright, now. Alright, let me pull this one down here. Now, I'm going to turn these so they're facing the same way. because I tried to trace them. This line here should be straight across, not slanted down like this, okay? So there we go. Alright. Now, this one here, let's turn this one so it faces the same way also, okay? Looks pretty good. So, this side here is 5, right? This side here is the side here we have nothing for. This side is 7, so we'll put a 7 here. Now, when you turn this thing, okay, you should be able to tell if this is up here, then this side right here would be the 3, okay? So a 3. This slanted side here has nothing. This bottom side here has an X. Now, what's the bottom side right here? Well, if you look up here, if I rotated this thing, like I'm supposed to, this 7, this side here would be down here. And this 4 would be the slanted side right here. Okay? Now, that really helps, or it should help anyways, in helping you see which side goes with which side. Okay? Now, I'm solving for x, okay? So I would say x over 7, because x corresponds with 7, equals, now I could say 5, but I would say x over 7 equals 5 over, there's nothing here, so I can't use the 5, guys. I can't use the 5 because there's no number over here to go with it. So I'm not going to use the 5, I'm going to use the 7, and 7 goes with what? 3. So as x changes to 7, x over 7, 7 changes to 3. Now some students say, well, Mr. Earhart, I don't know which one to put up top, it doesn't matter. If you put the x on top of the 7, then make sure you put the 7 on top of the 3. If you want to put the 7 above the x, that's fine, as long as you put the 3 above the 7. It doesn't matter. You'll get the same answer either way. Okay? Alright, so x over 7 equals 7 over 3. Now solve. We just did 2 of these guys. Your 2 fractions are what? Equal. So cross multiply 7 times 7, 49. X times 3, 3x. Now divide both sides by 3, and you will get 16 1/3, or 49 over 3, or 16.3 repeating. Any of those answers are fine. Okay? Alright guys, that's it. I hope this has been a help to you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call or email.